Welcome to your guide on elevating your Nano Banana narrated art with the most powerful tool available, real human reference images. Today, we'll show you how to weave the nuances of human anatomy and presence into your AI creations, ensuring accuracy and undeniable visual impact. The first crucial step is selecting your reference. Choose high-quality images that clearly showcase the pose, lighting, and any specific details you want your AI to emulate. Think about what makes a portrayal feel alive. It's often in the subtle curves of a limb, the expression in an eye, or the drape of clothing. In Nano Banana, find the dedicated reference image upload area. This is where you'll drag and drop or select your chosen human reference. Treat this image not as something the AI will directly copy, but as a guide, a source of inspiration that teaches it what realism looks like. Once uploaded, it's time to craft your prompt. Here's the magic: you don't need to describe every single detail of your reference. Instead, focus your prompt on the style, mood, and subject matter, knowing that Nano Banana will now draw upon your reference to inform the anatomical correctness and natural presence of your generated character. For instance, if your reference is a dynamic action pose, your prompt might focus on keywords like heroic, vigorous, or mid-leap. If it's a serene portrait, use terms like tranquil, contemplative, or soft lighting. Nano Banana intelligently interprets these instructions alongside the visual cues from your reference. Observe the difference. By using human references, Nano Banana can capture subtle muscle definition, natural skin textures, and believable proportions that are often difficult to achieve with text prompts alone. This technique is your shortcut to generating artwork that feels less like an AI imitation and more like a meticulously crafted piece. So experiment with different references, explore how varied poses, lighting conditions, and even facial expressions from your reference photos can drastically influence the outcome. You're not just prompting the AI, you're guiding it with the very essence of human form. Start incorporating human references today and see your Nano Banana narrated art reach new heights of realism.